Hi guys. Welcome to my Excel video. Let's learn something new today that can help you sharpen your Excel skills. If you want to learn more, please scan the QR code or click on the link in the description to take my Excel courses on Udemy. Thank you, and let's get started.
So far we have only worked with data in one sheet. In real life, one of the things we sometimes need to do in Excel is to work with values that are sitting in different worksheets. This time, let's say you have been asked to put together a summary of 2015 and 2016 sales data. The values are sitting in the 2015 and the 2016 sales sheets. Just like anything else, there's a good way and there's a not so good way to do this. Let's take a look at something that doesn't work first. So, I need my 2015 sales total for Anya. I'm going to come to my sales 2015, click on the sheet, come up to my total, right click, copy, or you can use Ctrl+C as well. Then I come back to my sales summary, click on the cells and paste, or you can use Ctrl+V. That doesn't work. Why? When I take a look at the calculation in the cell, it says add up the 4 cells to the left of me. Now, coming back to our sales summary, you see there are no 4 cells to the left, and that's why I'm getting this reference error. So please remember, with formulas, you can't just copy them and expect to get the right answer. Excel doesn't work that way. So, what are the other options? Well, what some people may do is to come and actually get that value and just type it in, copy the value in. That's not a good idea either, because if something should update in my sales 2015, this is now going to be incorrect and cause us real problems. What we really want to do here is somehow pull that value from the sales 2015 sheet. This is in fact very easy. Imagine, for example, that I have the value 200 in this cell and I want it to appear in B4. So I come to B4, type equal, click on the cell that contains the value, enter. That's it, I have pulled my 200 through. If I change this to 600, it pulls the value too. Now, what we want to do is exactly the same, except we want to do it from a different sheet. So again, I click on B4, type my equal, come to my sales 2015 sheet, click on my total, and be very careful here. Don't click back into the worksheet. Make sure you press enter. Awesome. If the value updates in 2015, this will update. Let's see how to do that again. This time I'm going to click on C4, type equal, and I want my sales 2016 total. So I'm going to come to here, click on it, and again press enter. Perfect. To get a total, very simple, right? Just use the order sum. And then press tab. One thing left to do, and that's the commission. Now, the rates were different for the 2 years, so we're going to have to add up the 2 commission values. Pretty much the same thing we did before, except we need to throw a little calculation into the mix. So I start with my equal, click into sales 2015, click on my commission. Now I have to type my plus. If you take a look at my formula bar here, you can see what I'm doing. Then I come to sales 2016, click on my commission. This is the most important part. Do not click back into the summary data. It's like clicking on another cell. It will break your calculation. When you're finished, you press enter. That's it. Now, I'm back in my workbook and my commission has been calculated. Finally, just as we have done many times, we can select all of these values, drag it down, and that's it. That's my sales summary drawing data from other workbooks. To get my total here, I'm going to select all the 4 cells and click Order Sum. Perfect. Now it's your turn. Please download the resources and practice doing this yourself.
That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and don't forget to scan the QR code or click on the link in the description to take my Excel courses on Udemy. Thank you again. See you on the next video.